I win with my fist. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah, it takes a little while, yeah, to be on the team. I focus on Rex, yeah, I made out all the beats, yeah. Everybody stand up, side loan is coming. Take 3 steps, yeah, my nigga never win, yeah. I'm coming so hot, yeah, J, Mr. Wick. I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah, it takes a little while, yeah, to be on the team. Focus on Rex, yeah, I made out all the beats.
I can tell you this. Come on.
Why always want to go monna kana always monna ke ntse nga phela patela magadi and stuff. Why sonto ba sedi ba sa patele mara magadi na go?
Who is the daughter?
No, the daughter is that's daughter. Who's the daughter?
Daughter must.
Bona, this thing already daughter. A man should always pay Lobola. A man should always pay Lobola for it to remain. It's like we are buying them.
No, you're not buying.
Yeah.
It depends.
Depends on what?
Depends on the family.
No.
With me. It depends on the family, honestly, because Australia, ne?
Okay, before Scala, guys, we are back again with another episode. Yeah, man. It's where we, and then it's let's say what's African chat and African Tipsy. So please, guys, as you know, when you see us, please make sure that you have subscribed, you liked our videos, you also commented, please.
And you
please.
share.
Yeah, and even Luena, you can comment your input and then what
do you think?
What do you think about this marriage thing? Because now, according to Subs of the General, and now I'm Subs of the General, aka Maspala. So this thing na marriage I'm peregel. It's like playing cards. You are these people that are playing with you with their lives. Okay. Yeah, but before we are going to introduce because we don't know Hannah.
Welcome again, guys. This is Mambad. He, as always, I'm going to say Mambad.
Okay.
So today we're back again with the topic of marriage. So today we want to know, like, your input. Please comment on your input about marriage, because it's a difficult topic. Yeah. So we want to know what your inputs about marriage.
Yeah, because no, you know, Mina, as I see things, these families, both families, they tend to complicate things and like oppress us as men.
Okay.
But oppress again, because they will tell you that for you to get our daughter, you must pay this much of money.
Okay.
You must buy a blazer for a person who's dead.
Okay.
You must buy Mujigisa. Mujigisa bathini penny.
Oh. Okay.
You need to buy blankets. Even this thing of marriage is a scam, more especially from Zulu people.
Okay.
There's this thing called umambezo.
Yeah.
But it's kosher.
Bese khona inkomo yasekhaya.
But it's kosher. But khona umambezo, khona isikhohlela, khona malobola.
Okay.
So then you need to perform these things, all of them.
Okay.
Again, before you get a girl, am I buying a person or am I getting married?
No, honestly, with me, it depends on the family or the culture. Mara, let's dwell on the family. Because I guess the family is the one that does the final decision.
Yes.
Exactly. So it depends on the family. Sometimes you get the family. Okay, now especially you get our family members in which they say we want Imalengag for the girl because she's educated. Maybe she say JJ. Understand? So it depends on the family, honestly. But then with me, I feel like marriage or Lobola, it's about combining two families, right?
Exactly.
So I don't think it should be there should be like much money that is contributed towards whatever's gonna happen. You understand? Because at the end of the day, besides the lobola, there's gonna be the marriage thing. You have to cough up money. There's the white wedding. You have to cough up money. You understand? Exactly. You still have to cough up money. So
but okay, listen, okay, they will tell you. Okay, remember, I'll always give an example.
Okay.
Remember, you are a teacher.
Okay.
You are a girl. You are a teacher. I'm a doctor.
Okay.
As a man, they say our girl is educated. She's educated. She has a degree of what? Hey, la mana na will school 4 years. Na will school 7 years.
Yeah.
I went for school. My doctor to be a doctor, I need to go to 7 years.
Honestly.
So then, my parents paid money for me to go to school.
As soon as fast.
My parents paid money for me to go to school.
Okay.
Who's gonna pay them if they want me to refund the amount that they paid for?
No.
For you.
Honestly, with the degree and education part, I don't like it much. Like, because there are a lot of girls that are educated out there, and with the terms of education, obviously, man, every girl wants to be educated, even if you don't work, but then you still want that education, right?
And remember, even my education and even my sweat gonna benefit you.
Exactly.
And what else I've already paid 100,000.
So now I don't think we would say when it comes to lobola. When it comes to lobola, I don't think the education thing should be included, because as a parent, you are the one who is liable for your child.
Yeah, so you mustn't make your responsibility to be my responsibility, or I must pay you for you taking your girl to school.
Yeah, so now don't.
So manje le yankomo ka baba le. I'm told le yankomo ka baba le bathi kunenkomo ka baba.
Okay.
Ilitshitshi mavichi. Abarobale le bona pe.
Marasha mina, honestly, Gumazulu. Of course.
Yeah, but because no, my girl is a virgin. Okay, sleep with her.
No, I don't think
she's a virgin. Sleep with her.
The only thing that ruins this thing here, lobola, is the thing you're going to see. Our adults at the thing you're still a virgin. You're still you're educated, maybe you're independent and all that. I don't think that should be added, because that should be like they should be proud because at least you figure to a certain age or certain teaching. You understand?
At my street,
okay.
There's this guy who wanted to get married to a certain guy. But the same street. They had a child before marriage.
Okay.
Again. And then the guy and the girl decided to know, Arnyala, let's get married. When they got married, when they did the negotiations things, the family of the girl, they said they want 30,000 for the baby. Before the guy can marry the girl.
I
was like, what the fuck?
But then besides,
what am I getting married to? Am I getting married to my kid or to your mother?
No, I don't think it's really big, especially if you wanna, like, I need to see ma you understand? So I don't think it has to be a thing now before mom.
Someone about to
no, that's wrong. That's wrong.
But going to just
we understand, but then if no mama, I don't think the should be included.
So okay, what if I want to get married to my kid? Okay, I want my kid only.
Oh, I'm not
30,000.
No.
Sponsor?
No. No.
So should I buy my spend 30,000?
That's too much. Like that's too much, though.
Yeah. So then it's and then is this thing I want to know? You need to perform like the Zulu people like they do. Well, no, we're not shaming the Zulu people. We're saying there's too much things that they require. Because there's so you need to buy blankets of the dead people.
Hey,
blankets, clothes, cold drinks, stove, food, gas, and what. There's too much things.
uzothenga nombhede phezulu.
Namphethe futhi. Umphethe yona ngini.
Wena umfazi wakho
Before silabo sikhuluma lezinto lezi kunembhede la. Kube and then the other thing would now, how do they measure this thing in Lobola? Who come up with these measures?
Yet again, I'm saying it depends on the family.
Okay, Rabu and Nagawa 1,005.
1,005. 5,000.
5,000 or 5,000.
Yo. Thing is, I've already had this conversation with my mom.
Well,
I've already had this conversation with my mom. My mom was like, it's not a thing you're going to see now. Siyakuthengisa cha.
Siyenza.
Siyakubuhlobo. So, asindaba yokuthi bela kuzophuma 100,000.
I don't know.
Kuze ifamily ihlangane cha.
I don't know where these families Bakuman into the or how did they get to the number of 100,000 to get married? Because Homa first said to get married, it only needs 75 rand. 75 rand to get married.
Then I think that's
but then what are they saying? They did this plenty of thousands that I don't know now what for.
I think that's why they go to Homa first to get married. Is that the traditional part? Because I had a friend that got married. Like a home affairs without the traditional part.
Yeah, because it's 75 on the cheap.
It's a lot, guys.
100 rand over like 25 rand. You get married. 100 rand.
So, Mina, as I'm saying, I've already had this conversation with my mom. So, besides the thing of 5,000, it won't be that much because abamthengisi guys umuntu awumthengisi niyahlanganisa umndeni kube lento ukuthi nje nihlanganisa umndeni nje kuphela
uma uqeda ukukhokhela le 100,000 leyo umuntu wakhona so uqala uthola ama advantages phakathi disadvantages naphakathi ko
you meet like certain problems that you will find with the person because awumazi mos.
So that's why here. But from them, let's just get married to combine the family, so to make families, to make ubuhlobo. The way that they are making ubuhlobo. Because there's too much things, there's advantages and disadvantages of marriages. Okay. Some at home, number one. Someone, if ever get married, and especially from women, when they got married, to start to relax. You start to relax. You are no longer the person that I met at the street.
It's all about impressing or trying to get you to like.
But when I just see what now you are shifting my vibe on you.
Hi.
Because now the vibe that you gave me at the first time when I saw you, it's no longer the vibe that you are giving me at the present time.
It's over.
You understand?
Hey, you pay.
Then you say you start maybe upile ganto. Utome upile ganto upile gauni the whole day.
But I'm no longer impressing you. I'm telling you already paid.
That's a problem. And then promote you this time.
No, that's the thing. I feel like some people relax. I think my film children see impression.
And then must be marriage.
How so? It's really interesting.
So umjolo the marriage is a difference. It's two different things. I couldn't do anything.
Maybe.
Umusakhala ukujona umo so uphakathi. Ngeke ngeke ngithi mase uphakathi kwemarriage ngoba. Awuzango.
Yeah.
Askithi. Usazofika. Wena abantu basasovela.
Okay,
So I'm saying what most women now that I've sworn, my feelings about my relax too much in a marriage. And then another problem of marriage and of charging people a lot of money is because that person who feel I feel already I'm buying this person. Now I'm owning this person. Understand? Because I cannot spend 100,000 on your family.
And that's when cheating comes.
That's when abuse comes.
And cheating.
And cheating. Again. That's what is not cheating. How?
Oh, my mom put me on the that's cheating.
Appetite outside.
Okay.
When I was on M1 was this Sasa KFC. I was on. Oh, yeah. Oh, you in gym. You console yourself. Don't rock when I'm piggy. You're at least you could man. So it's not like we're cheating. We are not
cheating. Don't justify it as cheating.
Appetite outside.
No, cheating.
Eat at home.
Cheating.
So the more that I do outside, yeah, they go to eat. But guys, you to eat some day.
No, do you know cheating always leads to low self-esteem?
Low self-esteem to
the woman, especially if the guy is the one that's cheating. It's low self-esteem. A decrease in trust. You understand? Like there's a lot that happens.
I don't know about something. Tell something. Okay. I see. I'm not promoting it, but
You
know what?
Okay.
Our grandfathers back then, they used to have more wives.
They were married.
Yeah, they were marrying them. So Angelina, you don't allow us to have more than two.
Why?
Again, now I get married to you. And I said, hey, I'm going to give you a team. I'm so then let us eventually you revive
Why is that you said how to revive him again?
Could have
No, shit, already. Unyaka Lankaray.
You need to go and then
communication. That's why they say communication is the key.
The problem is that when you get married, you start counting everything. The money that you see in the house is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
this one is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to go out there. There is a
You prioritize priorities.
You see these side chicks outside. These side chicks, a marriage over strong. Marriage over strong. Because the more you get what you get outside, you bring it in.
Why when you get outside, you feel a wife?
Wife you get. Even the Bible, I want my Bible hearing. A woman must have more wives, more men, more husbands.
Polyandry.
I have got a Bible.
Robert
Mugabe, before he died, he said, anything that dog doesn't do, a human being must not do.
Mara, why is it? No, I mean, it's not fair. It's not fair. Why do you promote that together?
It's how it is. Yeah. Samson was having 700 wives.
It's what Delilah and I have about 700 husbands.
What Delilah was betraying Kulunku. Delilah. Well, I can't let me okay. Okay. What Delilah is a problem.
Okay, I see me a good Delilah.
And she became a problem.
Okay.
Okay. So manje singayi ukuthi layila ne. Si focus la ku marriage. Mina ngiyakutshela mina ngithi if ever wanna get married.
Okay.
And then they tell me when I get to that when I send my uncles and my what to go there and negotiate, they tell me it's 100,000 or it's what thousand. If there was 1,000 that are more than my thousands that are in my account, I'm telling you, that girl will never get married.
Okay, mina tingubuze. When I expect like okay, when I want your like amount, but what you lobola, you keep marrying.
Since over 10,000.
How's that 30?
30,000 go here in the car. 30,000 go here. That will took sound like a lamp. 30 would here. 10,000.
Oh, yeah.
See, I count you.
Oh,
I get it. Exactly for like a swara. Hey, Mulam, I haven't get along together.
I'm a 30.
30 for what? For what? For what?
For the what?
For what? Okay,
for the marriage.
Okay, hold up. Remember, I'm now taking out my money to your family. Your family doesn't contribute to my family.
They don't.
You understand?
Oh, you.
Remember, my parents suffered for me to grow up.
Okay.
The same as your parents suffered for you to grow up.
But for a guy, it's different. You are the head.
Bona, let me tell you something.
Okay.
These families must sit down, must go back to their norms, and then we are now living in a new world, in a new life. We cannot always say we must get married and men must pay the Lobolas. I get it. And I'm not saying but when you pay Lobola, that means wait, no patrol Lobola.
Okay.
I get it.
Okay.
I'm saying when they see these things, when they get these things, they must check both families, my family and the girl family. I'm told.
Okay.
Because my family also spent on me to grow up. The same thing as they spent on their girl to grow up.
Okay.
And whatever money that they spent for her to go to school, it's equivalent to the money that they spent for me to go to school, my parents.
That's why I'm saying, let's not include the school part. Let's not include the virginity part. Let's include the thing of
and manje bayamtshela ukuthi lo muntu lo virgin or lo muntu lo una.
No man.
Okay, siyayiphuma kule.
Okay. Mina
ukhona umuntu adle virgin le mahala.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Mina ngithi ngisho ngithi if you're a virgin, let it be a thing yokuthi the family is proud for what you've done. You understand?
Not good for me to say.
Yes, let it be a thing yokuthi we are proud of you as Kenya. Not the thing yokuthi because now you're a virgin, you're educated, you're independent, you have a car, you have a house, and what. No, because you have all of this, now we have to charge. You understand?
What's about it? You know what? There's people who take loans for marriage.
I know.
Guys, people are taking loans.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And then remember, it's another struggle.
Exactly.
It's money that comes to your family as a cash.
Exactly.
But it's gonna be a struggle to
you and the wife.
Because your parents decided to look for a money that I don't have, and then I must go and make a loan somewhere to pay your Lobola.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's gonna take me 5 years to finish that.
That's what I said to my mom. I was like, if like let it be a traditional thing. I don't want a white wedding. No, let it be a traditional thing. Pen.
Go to the ladies petition, please.
and then I'm feeding people who didn't give exactly a red ass about me. Like why?
No, we're not.
No, like white wedding is for white. White wedding is for white people. We are black.
Remember, on white people, it's not for white people. Because on white people, when you attend their weddings, white people, you go there. After taking pictures and then exchange of rings.
Done.
They're done. They go to the restaurant. You pay your own meal.
Exactly.
They don't serve you food.
Exactly.
You pay your own meal.
So
then I must kill cows. I must kill cow. Kill sheep. What?
Give us veggie.
For what? After 3 months, a divorce.
It's too much. Yeah, it's gonna be a divorce because there's like too much expenses.
Yeah, too much expenses.
Come on, fight about those expenses.
Divorce are working naturally alone.
There's gonna be fights about those expenses. Me as the wife, besides those expenses, you took a loan, you married me. I'm feeling that please maintain me.
Exactly.
You understand? After maintenance, please feed me. You understand? Good day, God. Take care of the kids.
I'm never ever gonna get married to me. They must be ready.
Why?
Because these things is not gonna be simple for me. There's no way that I'm gonna pay 100,000 or 50,000.
It's a lot.
You understand?
It's a lot.
Because I'm feeding you, or even though I'm not feeding you, but I'm doing everything. You understand?
Ready.
Even though if I were working, but and then all this.
No, working is for you. Like honestly. But as much as Basindota in Togo, Indota is the provider.
So okay, since we're already Indota as the provider, do you believe in 50-50?
No. No.
Us men we are winning. The chips is winning.
I don't believe in 50-50. I don't.
You don't believe?
No.
Why?
There's a provider.
No, there's a provider. So there's no 50-50.
No.
If ever there's 50-50, you must do whatever that I'm doing.
Exactly.
If ever some then there's no 50-50.
I honestly don't believe 50-50.
We men, we can take the corner.
Yeah.
As not as umfazi ngeke ayenze lento no 50-50.
I don't believe in 50-50.
No 50-50.
I don't. That's why I don't. Because Indota from the olden days was programmed to be the provider, right? As much as I provider.
So let's say go and you are working, I'm working. There's your salary, this is my salary. So and you still want all my money to work in the house. What's your type of burger?
Yeah, I do.
You do like
tomorrow. Okay, besides the thing you're 50-50, honestly, I need to go and decide, especially if there are problems or maybe oh no, my expenses were to and as the husband, I can't go like all the way. Can you please like help me out? No, I don't want to help me out. We are 50, at least 15%. You understand?
so would you believe when I only 15% of your salary in my house? You bring all your money to me as a head.
No,
and then I decide to naturally take
let me be a housewife then. Let me not work.
No.
You let me not work.
No.
Being a provider. I will cook, I will clean, I'll take off the kids. And wara. Let me not work.
Pity for woman who gonna get married to me because I'm a chef. So that means to cook curry and stuff, it's out. Yeah, I'm just praying. I mean, I don't have a problem of paying. I don't have a problem of paying. I have a problem.
I don't feel like 50-50 is the way. Because at the same time, with the 50-50 thing, Honestly, me, the one I've seen with guys, if you go 50-50, those will get one partner when we 50-50. Thank you for now. Which is good.
No, go anyway. Not get upset. Let them alleging.
Oh.
Understand?
Oh, yeah.
And then I will see what as head of the house. And then I'll decide. And then I will see what okay, I must pay water, I must pay electricity, I must pay electric, I must pay cars. Oh, you understand?
That's why I need to. I'd rather be the housewife. I'm supposed to win.
No, why I'm married? Why I'm married?
No,
you want to it.
This is my king. So no, I'm telling him.
So necessarily kind of influencer, no mama. Influencer.
You're so investor up there.
Investor in. How can you invest in something that?
I'm not investor. I'm not so to buy.
How can you invest in something that?
I'm so to buy.
Oh. Okay, guys. The marriage, it's complex. It's complex, the marriage. So we just want to hear from you now. What you think is because got this thing in marriage. When I say more, subscribe, like our videos, comment, and please share. And put that notification button for you to get another episode when it's coming. Or the first person to see the video that will be dropping. So
let's hear your input about marriage.
Yeah, let's hear the input.
Yeah, with the 50-50 thing, Lobola.
Yeah, or maybe we can organize and then we have a part 2 because now we can yeah.
And then if you want to be on the part 2,
please. Say it. Tint. What goes tint? The tint, the chicken chabu. I don't want to when I want to subscribe or now I want to be part of the part 2. Yeah, marriages
exactly.
And Lobolas. The scam.
It's a scam, yo. Anyway, it's a scam. Anyway, it's not a scam.
Constitution, the South African Constitution says pay only 75 rand, then you are officially married. Jenny was like 75,000 and 100,000.
A traditional constitution thing.
I want traditional constitution. I want a national constitution.
Okay.
I want a situation.
Okay. So should I go patale traditional?
Patale.
Like what's how ngifikile ngiyakhonga.
Ngizobangikhongile mangicela ukukhonga ngihambile. Okay. Ayo ukuthi ngikhonga ngicela ukukhonga then I must pay 100,000.
No, it's not about the 100,000 though.
Okay, guys.
Oh, and going back to the Intlaulo, my uncle had the issue of which they wanted to. I don't remember how much it was, but it was a lot of money.
And then furniture package.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. And then he wanted to go. But the thing is, they demanded too much, and he was like, "No, I can't do it."
Yeah.
So she would say, "No, you're from Mali."
That's what you know,
it's a bad thing. I think it makes a bad image for girls because of the family. Exactly.
Because you know maintenance or exactly. So I leave you. Your parents will marry you. Guys,
we'll be back for part 2. We'll be back for part 2, guys.
Then it's African Chats and African Tipsy. Please subscribe, share, and tell Makelwani, tell your neighbor, tell your ex, or when African Tipsy and then at least without you, we won't go anywhere.
Yeah.
So then whatever that we are doing, guys, we are doing for you, and then you must support us.
Yes.
Tell your ex, tell everyone your crush, whatever. Who has a phone or has a smartphone? If you have a smartphone,
yeah.
Thank you.
And to our subscribers, we thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coming with smile, yeah, wave you like a priest. Getting motivated, yeah, walls in the front. Wanna make it, it's a great roll of China. Tuto kili said, yeah, but buy a buy, it's like it's an agapitor, imagine, boo, there's no peace.